So welcome folks, whoever tells you not to ride your motorcycle in the rain has either not experienced the joy of riding or is simply too scared to take the motorcycle out on wet roads. And I'm not talking about just commuting to office, I'm talking about riding a motorcycle in rain just for the fun of it. I mean, riding in rain quite has a charm of its own, doesn't it? So many of you might be reluctant to take your motorcycle out in the monsoons just because of the fear that prolonged exposure to rain and moisture will eventually ruin or spoil your motorcycle. I mean, come on folks, this is a motorcycle, it's meant to be enjoyed and ridden whenever you are in the mood for it. Rain should not be a deciding factor. And exactly with the following steps that I'll show you in this video, you can keep your motorcycle maintained in immaculate condition, no matter if it's nice and dry summer or the wet and humid monsoons. So start by giving your motorcycle a good thorough wash. And guys, I have a separate video on washing your motorcycle properly. Make sure that you check that out. So pay special attention to places like the underside of the chassis and the engine. This is where the maximum mud sticks to. Also, wash the surface of the disc brake thoroughly. This will get rid of the brake dust that mixes with water and mud and forms a coating on the brakes. So now it's chain cleaning time. So this is especially important in monsoons because mud sticking to the chain surface dries up the lube and exposes it to all the moisture and dirt that monsoon brings with it. So clean your chain more frequently in monsoons than you would otherwise normally do during drier months. And make sure that you spray a good quality chain lube after cleaning the motorcycle chain. So once that is done, wax your motorcycle guys, this is very important. This is important as the wax will form a protective coating on the painted parts and keep them protected from the extra moisture that you normally get in monsoons. Now that the motorcycle is clean and waxed, it's time to pay special attention to the pivot points on the motorcycle. So spray some solvent-based cleaning fluid like the one I'm using here, this is WD-40. Spray it on all the pivot points and wipe off the excess with a clean dry cloth. So spray some WD-40 on the gear shifter. Spray some on the foot pegs, all 4 of them. The front brake levers, the clutch spring, the keyhole, this is especially important, the rear brake lever, the center stand pivot and spring, and lastly, the side stand pivot. Also, spray some of the same solvent under the engine and chassis, especially where the oil filter is, as this place attracts a lot of dirt. And I also like to spray some WD-40 under the exhaust cans, as this prevents mud sprays from sticking to the surface. So now lastly, spray some of the same solvent on the engine block. So I'm talking about the black painted part. So this is not really necessary, but it makes the engine cylinder block look good. Then take some rubber or dashboard cleaner and apply it gently on the rubber parts. This will stop these parts from becoming brittle due to the frequent heat and cold, and also make them shine like new. And now your motorcycle is fully protected and ready to take on the elements, especially rain. So stop worrying and enjoy your ride in the rain. So if you have liked this video guys, please hit the like button and please consider subscribing.